we're going to start our press series from the floor. I want you to bring your elbows until they're just a little bit below 90 degrees. Your hands are going to be turned, instead of fully flat like this, they're going to be turned at a 45-degree angle. You're going to inhale here, back stays nice and flat. May not be touching the floor, but it's also not like you're not arching. You're going to inhale. As you exhale, you're pressing the weights up. Inhale, lower. Exhale, press. Inhale, lower. You want to be working the muscles of the chest here. You want to do 10 reps of these slow and controlled. 3 sets, making sure you're not losing that pelvic position as you're pressing. Go from the floor to a bench. So with the bench, you're not going to have that natural stopping point to tell you when to stop lowering the elbows. So you're going to need to find that point in which, when you lower down, you make sure your shoulders are not rolling forward. So stop before you feel your shoulders roll forward. So for me, I would go down. If I go lower than this, my shoulders are going to roll forward. So I would stop at that point and push back up. Same cueing, inhale down, exhale, push up. Inhale, lower down, exhale, push up. Practicing a nice, good, slow descent and slow ascent. You're exhaling with the exertion. 3 sets of 10 reps. So the next thing in our press series was a push-up. We did ours elevated, so you can do them from whatever height. A countertop would probably be the easiest starting point, or a wall. Then you could go down to a couch or a chair, and then you could go down to the floor. So in this position, you want to find that same neutral pelvis. So you shouldn't be here. You also shouldn't be overly tucked. Your heels will be off the ground. Hands are a little wider than shoulder width. You're going to inhale as you lower down. Chest goes towards the surface you're lifting from. Exhale as you press away. Inhale as you come down. Exhale as you press away. Slow and controlled, not losing when you get down here, not losing that pelvic position. 3 sets of 10 on those as well.